In this video, you will see how to include an observation in the report, or how to keep it for yourself so the end user will not be able to see this observation, but it's only something that you will see in your backend. I have created this observation called the square, and if we start to look at what the end user can see at the moment, he can see that there's 4 observations. But what I can see in my backend is that I have 7 observations, and that is because I have created 3 observations, which is only visible for me. So one of them is the square I have just created. And what we can see here is that the status is pending. Pending means that the observation is pending for somebody to take action on this observation. So it could be a supervisor, or that you have created something that you need to take a closer look of later. Track means that this is just a damage that you want to track over time, so you will not include it in the report, but the observation of this damage is finished, so you will not need to fill in any more information about the severity and notes or something else. You will simply just track this crack, for example, to next time. Finally, report means that you will like to include this in the report for the end user. So all the information you have created will be available. So if I click report on this observation now, it will be possible to see it for the end user if we go to the share again. We will now see that there is 5 observations the end user can see on this inspection in the observation list. So now the square is also visible for the end user. And if we go back again and set it to track and update the share, it is now removed again, and it's only 4 observations visible in this share for the end user.